This is a throwback unit. I know it's looking real pretty. I never reviewed it in the past, but I picked it up, so I figured why not just give a review for you guys, even though there's plenty of them out there. Whatever.
You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See fear out of you remain afloat. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload old units, new units, everyday sleeves, wig updates, and everything in between. So today the unit that I'm going to be reviewing for you is this unit that's on my head. This unit is from Bobbi Boss. I'm wearing it in the style MLF224 Keeshana in the color number 2. So if you're interested in seeing the construction of this unit and how I got it to look like this, just stay tuned for this video. Okay you guys, so since it is an older unit, the cap construction on it is a little bit different than the more modern ones that we have. So you do get your 13x4 parting space, 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, your adjustable straps. So this one doesn't come pre-plucked, like of course none of the older units do. I did try to go in and pluck it just a touch, but I feel like I definitely could use a lot more work on it for sure. So let me just come in and show you my hack job. So I feel like I was getting frustrated. It was taking too long. As you can see, that bad boy is still looking pretty dense. So I just try to kind of mask it with the baby hairs. And I feel like it looks okay. But I do feel like if you wanted it to look more natural, of course you would just want to go in and pluck that bad boy out, because like I said, it is pretty dense around the hairline. So the texture on this unit is definitely like a medium Yaki, and I am living for that. I am all here for it. The density is about 150%. It's definitely on the thicker side, which I really love. The length on it comes below my boobs, almost to my belly button, and I am 5'3" for reference. The cap size on this, I want to say, is small, medium, and big head friendly. Definitely small and medium head friendly. It may be a little harder for you to get to work if you do have a larger size head, but I did adjust the straps on this one, so I feel like it does have a little bit of stretch. So if you do have a larger size head, you may be able to get away with this one, but just know that if you have a small to medium size head, this one definitely can work for you. So let me just give you a 360 and show you what this is looking like. So let's just get into the cons and the pros on this unit. So first off, I only have one con with this unit, and my only con is that I just wish the hairline was plucked a little bit more. Though I know this is an older unit, so of course they weren't doing that back then, but that is my only con, and it's definitely preference, because if you are somebody who likes to pluck your units out, you definitely could go in and do that and make it look way more realistic. But I do feel like it's worth putting the work in, because it is a really, really pretty unit, as you can see. So my pros for it are, I really like the density, I really like the texture, I like the curl pattern, I like just the whole entire look of it. I like this like layered situation that's going on here. I like the fact that you do get the 13x4 parting space with the Swiss lace. I like the fact that since it's Bobbi Boss in an older unit, the lace does come browner, so I didn't really feel the need to pack on the concealer like I normally do. I didn't put it underneath, I just put it on top, so I am all here for that. Just as a whole, I feel like this is a really pretty unit. I would pick it up again for sure. I just would want to put more work into the hairline to get it to look more natural, or if you don't want to do any of that, honestly, you could just throw a headband on, honey, and wear it as is, like, which I probably would do if I'm not trying to do all that extra work. But other than that, I really like it a lot, and that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. So I hope you guys liked it as much as I did. If you did, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up in any colors, and until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.